Okay, this is for English 12, Thursday, February 18th. For today, you were supposed to read chapters 4 and 5 in book 3 of 1984. Again, if you didn't bring your book home, there is a PDF version in Google Classroom under class materials. So we're finishing up the novel here. Your assignment for tomorrow is to read that last chapter. I know there's a typo down there. Read that last chapter for tomorrow because there is a question on the quiz. Based on that, I am not going to go over that last chapter. Okay, so it's what Winston does after they've released him. There's also a question, whether or not Julia is a spy or not. There's a little detail in the chapter for today, so look out for that. That might change your mind. And then also there's a question based on, why the inner party or Big Brother does this to people. Okay, and I can't remember the fourth question right now, but you only have to, there's 4 questions on the quiz, but you only have to do 3 essays. So you can choose, you can leave the one out that you don't know. Okay, so it'll be something that we've went over before, so don't worry about that. Okay, but anyway, so at this point they've kind of built Winston back up physically. He's healthy. They've given him, new clothes and he's regaining his strength, and they're feeding him regularly. And essentially he kind of thinks he's on his way out. He's done everything that O'Brien has asked him to do. And at this point, he no longer cares to think for himself or rebel in any way. All right. He tells us in this chapter that, he realizes it was kind of a stupid idea to go against Big Brother. And at this point, he's very accepting of the world as, Big Brother sees it and makes it. And this is something that I was going to get to if we would have been in class. But, way back in some earlier chapters, he asked, what is sane, right? Winston thinks he's sane because, the Big Brother system is absolutely insane, okay? But really, it's insane to go against Big Brother, okay? Now he finally accepts that. He's just going to do what they say, okay? So he actually, trains himself not to think against the party or Big Brother. And he knows, or at least he thinks, now that they've kind of fixed him and fixed his brain, that they're just going to shoot him. So definitely pay attention to that. The very last paragraph of the novel, okay, for the chapter for today. Is he really shot, or is it more metaphorical? Okay, so look at that last paragraph really close. Okay, but he tells us in his mind and in his heart, he still really hates Big Brother. But he's just going to do what they say, okay? So, of course, O'Brien kind of knows this, or, he, or at least he tells Winston that he knows this. And now they're really going to fix him by sending him to room 101, okay? So I've been kind of hinting at the fact that, Winston hates rats. So room 101 is always the worst thing in the world for that particular person, okay? So what they've done is they've constructed this cage that on one side has rats and the other side fits over his face. And if O'Brien wants to, he can unleash this partition between the two and just have those rats go to town and eat right through Winston's face. So obviously this scares him to death because this is his worst fear in the world. So finally they get him to rat out Julia, right? He says, do it to Julia, not to me. Do it to her. I don't care. And this is something else we talked about earlier, and we saw in the film as well, that Julia, Winston says they can't get to our hearts, right? They can't make me not love you, which is kind of silly for him to do anyway. But anyway, they did, right? They got to his heart, they got to his mind, and he ratted her out in a minute because he didn't want to get his face chewed off by rats. Okay, so again, read the last chapter for tomorrow. It's just 10 pages. And what we see is Winston's life after all of this, right? Going to the ministry of love, being tortured, being kind of educated in some way. And now he's kind of done the final thing by ratting out someone he thought he loved, but he's more interested in saving his own skin at this point. Okay? So you don't need to do anything besides just read the chapter. Like I said, I am not going to go over it tomorrow. If we are at school, we'll go ahead with that quiz so we can be done with the novel. And next week we can, start working full time on the APA research paper. All right, see you.